In order to book an appointment with a student success teacher or your IEP monitor or even your guidance counselor, you would simply go to our Doyle website, click on Student Space, and on the top left-hand side, you'll see appointment bookings. So choose the appropriate department that you'd like to book with. Let's say you want student success. You'll click there. It'll take you to the booking page where you can pick your date. For example, I will do November 27th. You can choose either Mr. Silvera or Mr. Reese. Let's choose a time. You'll come down, you will put your name. So I will put mine. Your email address. Please use your school email address. So the one that includes cloud. Very important because that is where you are going to get your confirmation email to. So please ensure, and this is just a reminder, that you are using your cloud email address from the school board, and then your topic. So let's say it's math, and if you can be more specific, that will help us prepare on book. And within a matter of seconds, you should get a confirmation pop up that you have in fact booked your appointment. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer than other times. So there it is. And then in your school email account, you will get an email confirming it, and you'll also get a reminder email. I believe it's 1 hour before your appointment with a Teams link. You then click on that Teams link. The person that you booked with should be there at the same time, and you can share your screen and have a chat and get any extra support that you may need.